Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to PHP e-commerce project tutorial for beginner. In this tutorial, we are going to let the user see all the products data from the product table to the user homepage. So here you can see all those products in the admin panel. So we are going to basically show those products in the homepage. So for it, let me just log out from here. And currently we are in the login.php. Let me just remove those and I'm going to say here index.php, then press enter, and there you can see this is our home page. So here you can see some of the product images. So what we will do is that we'll just keep only on image and we'll remove all the static image and everything inside it. So for it, let's go back to our code and we'll go to our index.php. Then if we just go down, here you can see the product section and there you go. Here you can see my card and here you can see the div for the card. So we'll just keep only the first div and we'll remove all the other div class card. So let me just go down and this was the last one. So I'll just remove this. So it will look like this. So this div indent here and this div indent here, and we have the image, title, a little bit of description, price, and the buy now button. If we now set this, then refresh here, there you can see this only on product. So right now, first of all, what we'll do is that we'll get all the product data in this index.php. So for it, let's just go at the top and here we're going to give the PHP opening, then the PHP closing tag. And inside this, first of all, we need to make a connection with the database. For it, let me just declare a variable, let's say $con equal to, we'll say here mysql i_connect. And inside this, we need to say localhost, then give a comma, we'll say here root, again comma, to double quotation, keep it empty. And then we need to give our database name, and our database name is, let me just show you. Our database name is php_ecom. So we'll say here php_ecom. So once you write this, it means you are connected with the database. Right now we're going to write a SQL query to get the data from the product table. For it, we need to declare a variable, let's say $sql equal to, we'll give two double quotation, then we'll say here select star from, we need to measure our table name, which is products. So once you write this, it means we want to get all the data from the product table. After that, let's declare another variable, let's say $result equal to, we'll say here mysql_query to first bracket. Right now we need to get the database connection here, which is $con. Then we need to give a comma and we need to mention this $sql here. So we'll say here $sql. Then in this with the semicolon. So right now we have all the data from the product table in this $result variable. And using this $result in a while loop, we'll be able to get all the data from the product table. So right now, let me just go down and here you can see my card, and inside this we have the card div. So before this div, we are going to mention a PHP opening, then a PHP closing. So inside this, we are going to mention a while loop. Let's say here while to first bracket, then we need to declare a variable. We'll say here $row equal to, we need to say here mysql i_fetch_assoc. Then we will give to first bracket, and inside this to first bracket, we need to mention this $result. Let me just copy this and I will paste it over here. Then we need to give to second bracket like this. So right now using this $row variable, we'll be able to get all the data from the product table. Right now what we need to do is that we need to keep this div inside this second bracket, but the thing is we cannot write HTML code inside PHP tag. So for it, what I am going to do is that I'm going to in this PHP opening over here, then I will start one more PHP opening for the second bracket over here. There you go. So right now we'll be able to cut this div from here and paste it inside those over here. So I'll just paste the div here. So right now, if we just save this, and there you can see this div is inside the while loop. And if we just go to our products table, there you can see we have 3, 4, 5, 6 data. So if we just refresh here, we'll be able to see the same card 6 times. If we now refresh, there you can see there is same card 6 times because it is inside the while loop and we have 6 data in the product table. So right now, obviously, we want to show the data from the table. So for it, first of all, here you can see this is the title. So for this, so inside this H4, we're going to mention the PHP opening, then the PHP closing, then we say here echo, then we are going to mention this variable $row here. We'll say $row to third bracket to single quotation. So inside this, we want to get the product title. So we write the title like this in the product table. There you can see title, there you can see description. We write it like this. We have price, quantity and image. So let's go back. So here I'm going to say title, and inside this p tag, we'll write the description. So I can just directly copy this from here and paste it over here. So instead of title, we're going to say here description. Then we have the price. So let's just say here price, and we have the buy now button. If we now save it, then if we now refresh here, there you can see every title is different. Here you can see camera, makeup, camera, laptop. We have description here. The price here is different. So we need to show the image from the database table as well. So how can we do it? This is really simple. Let's go back, and here you can see image source. So we are storing the image in the product image folder, and currently we are in the index.php. So we can just directly say here product underscore image. Then here we need to mention this PHP opening and PHP closing. And inside this, let's just write it like this. So inside this, here you can see title. So instead of title, we need to mention the column name. Here you can see is image. So we are going to say here image. If we now save it, then if we now refresh, there you can see every card has different image and everything is coming from the database. So this is how you can display data from the database table in the home page. I hope this was easy for you. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.